Good morning, children. Let's start chapter 4, division. In class 3, you have learned about division. Division is repeated subtraction. And you also know the terms related to division. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The answer is called the quotient. The answer is called the quotient. A number remaining is called the remainder. A number remaining is called the remainder. Here, dividend is 27. Divisor is 9. Quotient is 3 and remainder is 0. We can write 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. In exercise 4a, question A, write the dividend, divisor and quotient in each of the following. First, division fact. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. You have to write dividend. The number to be divided is called the dividend. So here the dividend is 40. Divisor. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. Here, divisor is 8. Quotient. The answer is called the quotient. Here, quotient is 5. In the same manner, solve all the questions given in exercise 4a, question A. Next, divide and check the answer. 572 divided by 8. First step, arrange the numbers. 572 divided by 8. Here, dividend is 572. And divisor is 8. We begin from left, that is with hundreds. 8 ones are 8. Since 8 ones are 8 more than 5, so we will take 8 zeros are 0. Write 0 in the hundreds place of the quotient and below 5. Subtract 0 from 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. Next step. Bring down 7 and divide 57 by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. Since 8 eights are more than 57, so we will take 8 sevens are. 8 sevens are 56. Write 7 in the tens place of the quotient and 56 below 57. Subtract 56 from 57. 57 minus 56, 7 minus 6 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0. Next step, bring down 2 and divide 12 by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Since 8 twos are more than 12, so we will take 8 ones are 8. Write 1 in the ones place of the quotient and 8 below 12. Subtract 8 from 12. Answer is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now, here the quotient is 71 and the remainder is 4. The quotient is 71 and the remainder is 4. So, these are the steps of division. Dividend here is 572. Divisor is 8. Quotient is 71 and remainder is 4. Now, how do you check? We use the relationship to check the division. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Here quotient is 71. 71 multiplied by divisor here is 8 plus remainder. Remainder here 4. 71 multiplied by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 sevens are 56. 568 plus 4. 568 plus 4 is 572, which is equal to the dividend. So the answer is correct. In the same manner, solve question B, divide and check your answer of exercise 4A.